In this video, I am extending an open invitation to the Fall Kitchen Vignette. But before I get into the details, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into it. Fall is just around the corner and people are already starting to share fall hauls and fall decor ideas. So I thought this would be the perfect time to issue my challenge to the Fall Kitchen Vignette. How many of you have participated in my previous kitchen vignettes? If this one will be the first time for you, drop me a newbie in the comment section below. But if you've participated in other of my kitchen vignette challenges, then drop me a comment letting me know when was the last challenge you participated in. Was it summer? Was it spring? Or was it fall of last year? Tell me in the comment section below. Okay, so here are the details. It's a fall vignette, not a Halloween vignette. So there should be nothing associated with Halloween in this vignette. No black cats, no witches, no nothing associated with Halloween. It's fall. But keep in mind that we do have a big holiday that takes place in the fall. And we do things in the fall associated with that particular holiday, like gathering in the harvest, gathering together for harvest festivals, or gathering together to give thanks. So Thanksgiving is one of the fall holidays that we celebrate. So it's okay to have things associated with Thanksgiving in your vignette. As a matter of fact, you really want to try to put together a vignette that will carry you from fall until we're ready to switch it over for Christmas. So what do you need? Well, for those of you that are seasoned Kitchen Vignette Challenge participants, you know it's got to be portable because the counter space in your kitchen or the table space in your kitchen is prime real estate. So it needs to be portable, so in case you need to move it from one place to another, you can. That means it needs to be on a tray. You can decide what kind of tray you use. Single tray, tiered tray, whatever, but it just must be on a tray so that it can be portable. It also needs to have something with words on it, and you get to decide what kind of medium those words take. It can be a plaque, maybe something that says gather, or says fall, or fall harvest, or welcome fall. It could say pie. It could be a book, a plaque, or a card. It just has to have words, and you get to decide what form those words take and what those words say. You also need to have a floral, and the floral can be live or it can be faux. That's up to you. But you also need to have elements in it, little icons that are suggestive of fall. So what kind of items are associated with fall? Well, pumpkins and gourds and sunflowers and scarecrows and blackbirds. And in this area, we have apples because the apples come in the fall. And just whatever means fall to you in your area. And of course, one of the big things we do in the fall at Thanksgiving time is families gather together and do lots of eating. So think about whatever represents fall to you and somehow share that in your fall kitchen vignette. The upload date is Monday, August 19th. And as usual, you need to be subscribed to my channel, mention my channel and the playlist in the video, and then link them in your description box. And we will have a hashtag, and the hashtag is Fall Kitchen Vignette 2019. The title should be Fall Kitchen Vignette 2019 with Denise Jordan. Again, that's Fall Kitchen Vignette 2019 with Denise Jordan. I'll create the playlist and it will be available to you on August 19th at 7 a.m. And so you will want to come to my video and it will be in the description box there. Make sure you use the hashtag in your description box so that if you have trouble uploading your video, I can capture your video and pop it in there for you. So are you in? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you're curious about what the previous kitchen vignettes have looked like, I will link the summer kitchen vignette playlist as well as the fall 2018 kitchen vignette playlist above and below so that you can check those out. And a vignette is really just a little scene, a little tableau that represents something. And in our situations, it represents our kitchen decor for fall this time. And if your thoughts are turning to fall, they may also be turning to Thanksgiving. And you may be asking yourself, where are we going to have Thanksgiving? What am I going to cook? How do I cook a turkey? So I will link my Thanksgiving 101 playlist above and below because in that playlist, I show you how to cook a turkey and I also share how I cook many of the traditional foods that my family has at Thanksgiving time. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.